What's up, guys? So we got the 450 Husky in the back, heading to Noyes Park, just a little bit outside Idaho Falls, and apparently they changed up the track a little bit, so I'm gonna go check it out. It's starting to get a little bit colder outside. Obviously we're in fall. It's October 17th today, I believe, and yeah, it's getting a little bit colder, so probably last practice of the year. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out, see what kind of track changes they made, and yeah, show you guys a couple laps around the track or something. So let's go. Well, I think the track was pretty sweet. They changed up probably a quarter of the track from the last time I was here. So, I don't know, I thought it was pretty fun. A little step up and kind of like a triple they added. So, yeah, pretty cool. I was able to hit the track pretty good other than that big step up jump. When I would like come off of it, in order for me to clear it, I had way too much speed, so I was like going way past the corner most of the time. So hopefully they'll like extend that out like 20 feet or so. That would really help. But other than that, pretty fun. I had a good time, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Well, do yourselves a favor and don't ever shop at frickin' Costco on a Saturday. This place is fucking ridiculously busy. I'm on the back end. That whole place over there is frickin' packed. And then we got a frickin' cluster in front of me. Look at all the freaking cars, dude. I'm gonna have to park clear the hell over here, if there even is a spot. Oh my hell. Yeah, look at this. Dude, this place is fucking busy. All I need is some frickin' bread for the coming work week, and yeah, we might be going to Walmart or something. The one parking spot that's open. Well, definitely worth the stop here at Costco. Picked up a Lamborghini Revuelto and a Bugatti Divo. They're the 118 diecast cars. I have like a Lamborghini Murcielago that I like repainted blue and stuff because it got freaking destroyed when I was a kid. But that I think was like 40 to 50 bucks when I bought it back in the day, and brand new, if it's still in the box, that thing's going for like a couple $100. So pretty crazy. These ones, the boxes are kind of dicked, as you can see. This one's got like a weird, I don't even know if you can see that, but a weird smudge, and it's kind of fricked up here in the tops. But I don't know. It was freaking only like, I guess it was $16.99 a piece, so I didn't think that was too bad. These things are freaking sick. So Costco, you didn't let me down today, even though it was a freaking cluster trying to find a parking spot here. So I had to take these out of the box and show you guys. But to start with, here's that Lamborghini Murcielago I was talking about that I painted blue, and I actually painted the interior white. It was orange with like a gray and black interior. So there's that. And I also have a white Gallardo, a black Gallardo, and then, yeah, the Bugatti and the Revuelto. I'm not really sure how you say that. Lamborghini Revuelto? I don't know. Anyways, so yeah, I got these today, and they are scale 118. Same with these ones. Kind of crazy though. You look at the Bugatti and the Gallardo, the size difference is crazy. This thing's like way wider. The tires seem to be a little bigger. I don't know, maybe they're, yeah, I think they're slightly bigger. And dude, this freaking Revuelto is like, I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty big. Like, you put the Gallardo next to it. Anyways, so this is a dirt biking video, not a car video. So I got one more thing to show you. Seems how it's a dirt biking video. Got this bad boy today. Got the old Ryan Dungey 112, scale 112 dirt bike. I thought it was from New-Ray, but seems to be from a different brand. Anyways, so here is a bunch of dirt bikes I've been collecting. So yeah, we'll add that in the collection. But yeah, if you guys are interested, I have a bunch of like stuff I'm collecting, freaking Hot Wheels, Fast and Furious cars, obviously the dirt bikes. I also have freaking factory edition semis. I think those are scale 132. Those are dope. Yeah, if you guys want me to make a video of some of this stuff, comment down below. Maybe I will. So anyways, I think this is finally the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe.